Okay, so continuing on, what we're going to do right now is actually get the particle for our ship to use. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Let me close my folder, go to particles, and then just get the one that you like. So in my case I did flame, and I believe that was fire one. Yep, this is the one, fire one. Now here's one thing, I'm pressing F to frame it. You won't be able to kind of like use all the particles that comes along with it. You have to use one of the particles itself, which kind of sucks. Eventually later on that could be fixed. So for now, just in my case, I'm going to be using the inner core. I'm going to go ahead and drag that out so it's separated, and delete that fire one in there. Then click on my ship, press F to frame it, click on inner core, go ahead, game object, move to view. Then I'm going to go ahead, put that right here in the back of my ship. Now we're gonna start adjusting the settings to our liking. I'm gonna rename this thing, so I'm gonna call it thruster particles. And if I scroll to a minimum emission, let's put 900. Maximum, I'm putting 1000. For maximum energy, put something like 1. Minimum energy 0.5. If I scroll down to, let's see, particle animator, the force, just put 0. And now you don't want to adjust the force because that's kind of like for world type force. You want to do go up and you do local velocity. So on the Z, I'm gonna do -3. And here's my little thing going around. And then now I can just drag that parented to the ship and play it. And here's my little ass thing going on. So instead of making it so long like that, for minimum energy, just put it 1. For let's see, actually, yeah, 0.5 on the maximum energy, then 0.2 for minimum. And let's see how that goes. There we go. There's my little thruster going on. And then save the scene already. And then now we can almost do the same thing for the second one. So I'm just going to duplicate it. Go in here, rename it. Booster. Particles. And then the thruster one, just the emit setting, just check that off. So it won't show it. Click on the booster one. Now you might want to change the material on it too. So if I click on flame D, if I duplicate it, now that duplicate, I can change the color on it. So in my case, I'm going to do some bright blue. Click on my booster particles and then do this shader instead. Because if you just go ahead and then actually just adjust the shader, because it's using the same one as the other particles, it's just going to just both flames, and you're going to be trying to figure out why they're both not the same. So both not different. Then you can test it out, make sure. You see? So for now, just leave the emit setting turned off. Okay. So now in the next video, we're gonna start making it working around. See you around.